Hey Norm, this is looking good, thanks mate. Just a couple of little bits of feedback. Um, just noticed this section here. Can you bring that up onto one line so there's not a line break there? So there can be any number of reasons. I'll actually put it on a whole new line, so all of this can be on a new line. No. Sorry, just bring that back up on off the line. So remove that unnecessary line break. Can you make this all just capitalized? So capital A, capital O, capital T, capital C. So just capitalize each word. Same again here. Capitalize each word. Yeah, I'll take it. This section here, I know it's just a little thing, but just the formatting. Can you maybe have it in line with this bit, so and it's not too close to that box, or just maybe, yeah, if you can make the all these paragraphs line up here, and just bring it in a bit. Other than that, that looks good. That link works. Cool. Yeah, that looks good, mate. Looks real good. Nice one. Just make those few little formatting changes, and then that looks good to go. I'll sit down with them in 20 minutes, and if there's any other changes, I'll let you know. Thanks.